Morning, my people, morning. You know, it's that B15 guy here again with another video. And today, will be a kind of a special twist in the video. I'll be attending an event this weekend, and I plan to take you guys along with me so you guys can kind of see some of the stuff I'm interested in. It's a car event, of course. You know, I'm that B15 guy, so you know I like cars and stuff, so I'm gonna go and attend that, hopefully to get some footage, and just kind of show you guys, you know, take you guys on the journey with me. This morning, of course, I have Betsy here with me. I'm gonna be giving her a bit of a cleanup, you know, wash and just gonna spruce up a little bit, so you know, it can be nice to touch the road. I'm gonna take you guys along on the journey, and you know, whatever else, you know, that comes along, you know, I'll be filming, so you guys will be able to see that as well. All right, so come along. I'm gonna get Betsy cleaned up. Let's go. All right, guys, so you know, car's all parked up here, right by this pipe where I got my hose, and you know, I have my bad soap mix in that bottle right there. You know, let's get into it. Gonna hose off the car first, and then you know, apply my bad soap mix and go in and start, you know, get that cleaning going. So let's go. All right, so now that we're all sprayed down, I'm gonna go in with my what I call my bad soap mixture. I'm gonna go in, give her a spray up. I'm gonna go right around the entire car, give her a spray up. I'm gonna go with my rag and just kind of clean her up. And this soap mixture can go on all surfaces of the car. So I'm gonna go around, give her a nice spray up, and get to work. Yeah. Come back to the water, wash them off, fresh and clean. That just release it off. Oh. In between everything that them barrel is, man. Make sure it's kind of hard to film and do it at the same time still, but I just want to see the process, you know. You know, see, say, yo, and a joke thing when we are clean wheel. Anyways, I'm going to put on the phone and go in properly. Make sure it's a spick and span. Know what I mean? I'm going to touch all four bases. Make sure it's a, yo, clean up. See, pre. I'm out. Jeez, peace. What that car look good, watch out. Watch our car clean. So careful clean, man. That is it. Alright guys, so it's the next day here. So like I said, I'm gonna head out to that car event today to go check it out, kind of see what's up. It's supposed to be a supercar exotic car show. So you know, man, Betsy I roll. And we're gonna head down and kind of just check it out, see what's going on, get some footage for you guys as well, so you guys can check it out as well. So let's get on the road and see what's up. All right guys, so I've arrived. Well, I haven't gone in yet. The entrance is over there, but I got my ticket and I'm about to head in to kind of see what's up. I'm gonna go in and check it out. I'm a bit early, I think. But you know, the show goes from now till 5, and perhaps a little bit past that, but I'm gonna go in and see what's up.
hands them. Yeah, my brother. That's how we make an entrance. Yeah, man. So people feel free to walk around. If you want to take a picture with Nick Clue, don't worry. He will take a picture with you because he have a picture for you today. You understand? He have a picture for you today. And big up all the kids them inside the house. You know, so you have a dream for owning one of them vehicles one day. Mr. Rebel.
That is it! Dog! That is it! Dog, so think connect me now, bro. We don't want no more gear, ease up. We don't want no more to blow off something, bro. Brother, come on, start doing up.